was time to take the dogs out to the bogs in Mattapoisett. The Midnight Rider coming to you from Mattapoisett, Massachusetts. And I'm going to clean my lens. Yeah, that's much better. Maybe not. I'll be back. Hey everybody, the Midnight Rider coming to you from Mattapoisett, Massachusetts at the bogs. It's an old abandoned cranberry bogs that was converted into walking paths. A lot of people bring their dogs out here every day. There's only 2 of us today. The snow is coming down pretty good, but it's 34 degrees with no wind, and that's comfortable for us New Englanders. More to come, there always is. I'm going to keep filming around the bogs here because this is really, really nice. I'll be back. Well, that's the end of our 2-mile walk around the bogs in Mattapoisett. Hope you enjoyed this video with a little change of pace from the bike riding from Mattapoisett on Inauguration Day. This is the Midnight Rider. Till next time.